Hi guys! The holiday season is just around the corner, which means 2019 is getting closer and closer as well. I honestly can't believe how quick the time has gone. I mean, it's like it was just only summer and now I'm already thinking about Christmas. I have started working on my Christmas cards already. Believe it or not, I make them myself every year, and so yeah, I just wanted to get an early start. I've been trying to get my hands on my new planner for 2019 for weeks now, but I guess I was a little too excited because it wasn't even available in stores or online. So yeah, I had to wait, but it was finally there and I went and picked it up. I only just had a little peek inside, but I haven't really looked in depth yet because I want to explore it together with you guys. It's the Daphne's Diary Planner for 2019. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that last year I had a Daphne's Diary Planner as well, and the year before that. But every year they're different, different artwork and different, different fun things in it and a different look and everything. And so I'm gonna show you it in depth. So I'm gonna show you exactly what's in this planner. So if you're still looking for a new planner for 2019 and after seeing this video you're like, it is so gorgeous, I love it, I want it, then I'll put a link in the description box below of where you can get it in case you're interested. Let's start with the cover. I have to say I really like the cover for the 2019 planner, and I especially love the back as well. I like it better than this year's one, although I liked it too, but especially the back was a bit more plain this year than compared to the 2019 one. Let's discover the inside of this together. So we already took a look at the cover. It's very pretty, I think. This is the front, this is the back. There's always a tag on the planner that just says the name of the planner and the website. On the inside, the first page, the inside of the cover page, always has a little pouch where you can put things inside here like stickers or whatever you like. Here's just your personal information page, and in case of emergency, this is just little calendars, which is always very practical. Some information of how to use a planner, what it looks like, etc. I don't really think that's necessary. I mean, it's self-explanatory, but hey. Here we have another little calendar for the entire year. So usually I write things on here like the birthdays of people and really important dates I need to remember. Then there's a page for contacts. This is the first year they've done that. And I do think it's not a bad idea, but I wish they would have left some space for a phone number and email address. And also, it looks like there's only, space for 12 addresses and names. For me, that's enough, but I can imagine some people would have liked to have seen more. But I have a separate address book, so I don't really mind. This is some more information about something that they introduced in last year's planner, which is color your days, but I'm gonna show you that later on in the planner. Then there's a drawing of potato soup, and I think this is meant to be the same thing, but the real deal, pictures of it. And then there's the link of the website, so you can find a recipe for this on the website. I always think it's a little weird that they put a link here because, it's not like I can click it. It's a book, it's a planner. So yeah, I would have preferred to have the actual recipe here. At the beginning of every month, you have a double page that you can open up, and you have a color your days page and a page that has all the days of the year, of the month, sorry. And you can write something next to it. So I also add birthdays to this page so I can see at the beginning of the month, oh yes, this person has a birthday this month, this person has a birthday, or if there's another important date that you cannot forget about this month. And then the color your days page is to keep track of your mood. So you put some color codes here and you write down what it means. So for example, green is a neutral day or a neutral mood. Maybe red can be angry, or purple can be creative. And then you just color every day in the colors of what your moods were that day. And then at the end of the month, you can see, you know, whether you had a good month or not. It's just a fun little thing. And then 1 week is always a double page. And in between you have a little page like this that has room for your shopping list, your to-do list, and just random notes. This is like a bullet page right here. I don't know if they're all like that. Last year there were some were bullet pages, others weren't. I am noticing, however, that the layout of their weekdays and weekends has changed, and I am a bit bummed to be honest, because let me just grab last year's one. Look, this is last year's one, and as you can see, I decorate with stickers and stuff. Here you had, one day had this 3 vertical parts, and I always like to use it morning, afternoon, evening. And I have been doing that for years because I'm a very visual person, and I like to immediately see where something is written. So I can immediately see if something's written here, that's like early in the morning, if it's written here, like it's in the middle of the day, etc. And now here, it's just horizontal, and it's just one area. And I really don't like that, to be honest. I truly hope they change that back next year, because this is going to be a huge adjustment for me. I like my mornings, afternoon, evenings. And I guess I could still make columns, but vertical. But yeah, or I could draw some lines here, but yeah, it's not the same. So, I'm a little bummed about that. But okay, moving on. What did stay the same was that you can rate your day. This is for your fruit intake, your water intake, your menu, and just like last year, this is so small. How are you supposed to write anything down in this? And TV the same, like how small do you have to write to be able to write something in here? Honestly, all of this is not very interesting to me. That could go as far as I'm concerned. I just want my 3 horizontal parts of the day back. But hey, you know, it's there in case you want it. It also says which month it is, which day of the month, which week it is. So yeah. And Saturday and Sunday are smaller. They started doing that last year. Again, something I don't really like very much. The year before that, it was much bigger. And I feel like on the weekends, people tend to do more instead of less. So you should have more space or the same amount of space. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. So the other weeks and months are going to be very similar when it comes to the way it's laid out. It will just have different drawings and stuff. So I'm gonna go quickly so you can still see what it looks like, but you know, this doesn't drag on for hours and hours. And if there's something special that's different, then I will slow down and talk about it. So this is something that you will also see several times. These are actually greeting cards. Oh, these are really pretty. These are greeting cards, as you can see. So you can tear this and then you have beautiful greeting cards to send out or to frame and hang somewhere or to use in a book as a bookmark or something like that. That's also really nice. And also every new month you have a beautiful big drawing and usually an inspirational quote of some kind, which is always really nice. and some more things like recipes or DIYs that you can find on the website usually. So yeah. Oh, and the Color Your Days pages are always different drawings as well, so that's fun. Oh, little bunnies! That's so cute! Even though this is a beautiful decorative planner on its own, I still like to decorate it even more, so I make my own planner stickers. I also use store-bought stickers, of course. I use different colors of gel pens that have different meanings, so I know each color has a different meaning, like how urgent something is or how important something is. And yeah, I just really like to decorate it further and just make things fun. And yeah, speaking of stickers, there are some stickers in here as well, like this one. This page is full of stickers, which is really nice. I think it would be nice if they added even more, you know, I would like, I don't know, at least 15 pages of cool stickers, but you know, I have my own stickers as well. Ooh, that's nice. I also like using washi tape and other decorative items. And when I see something that I like, if there's like a really beautiful drawing in here, for example, I sometimes frame that and hang it in the house, or I will use it as a background for greeting cards I make. So I keep a lot of these pages or a lot of these drawings to do something else with when the year is over. So that's, you know, I sort of use it in a double way, which is also really nice. Ah, some more cards, beautiful greeting cards. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Ooh, I like this. So this is an example of something that would be nice to frame, I think, or to use as a greeting card or something. I like that. Oh, cute! More stickers that have some inspirational sayings on it. And then this is the end, and you have another little area where you can put things in. And that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!